Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. As a citizen of a country, it is must to know his or her country's constitution because constitution is the supreme law of a country that formulates the government. Okay. What is meant by the word constitution? Just to be simple and precise, constitution is a set of rules that guides how a country, state or other political organization works. Is it necessary to have a constitution? Of course, yes, because our country, India, is a democratic country. We might have heard the quote describing democratic government as for the people, by the people, of the people. And you know who said this? Ex-American President Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Constitution is necessary for a democratic country because people is ruled by the people again. In this situation, an ordinary man making mistakes is a normal one. The one ruling the people is also a citizen of that country. He or she also should be treated as normal citizen. To avoid dictatorship, constitution is very essential. When I say the word dictatorship, the one who came in your mind is Adolf Hitler. He is such a great dictator but failed to win the hearts of his own country people. On that note, there comes the importance of constitution. Okay, but who wrote or who framed that constitution? When was it framed? Indian constitution is framed by the members of Constituent Assembly. The members of drafting committee are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, Krishnasamy Iyer, Dr. K.M. Munshi, Syed Muhammad Sadullah, Madhav Rao, T.T. Krishnamachari under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took nearly 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the constitution and was adopted on 26th November 1949 and it came into force on 26th January 1950. So, every 26th of January is being celebrated as a Republic Day and 26th November is being celebrated as Constitutional Day of India. Here are some unknown facts of Constitution of India. Indian Constitution is the lengthiest constitution in the world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution was originally a handwritten one in Hindi and English by Prem Behari Narain Razaida. Each page of the Constitution was decorated by artists from Shanti Niketan. The original copies are stored in helium-filled cases in the Library of Parliament of India. The Indian Constitution is often called as bag of borrowings because it has borrowed provisions from the various constitutions of various other countries. The Indian Constitution had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules at the commencement. Now, the Constitution has 448 articles in 26 parts and 12 schedules. Amendment, which means change, was first made on 1950. There are 104 amendments that have been made in the Indian Constitution up to January 25, 2020. Article 32 is called as the heart and soul of the Constitution because it says if anyone's fundamental right is violated, one can approach Supreme Court. Here are some acts and schemes that are to be known by a citizen. The Basic Act needed for every citizen, the Right to Information Act. The Right to Information Act comes under the section 19(1). This act ensures the transparency by the government. According to this act, any Indian citizen may request information from a public authority, that is, a body of government. The concerned government body has to reply within 30 days. Employees Pension Scheme, which was amended in 2020, states that Employees Pension Scheme pensioners will get normal pension even after getting a reduced pension due to commutation. Here comes the most important act for every vehicle users. Please watch our video Road Lines and its Meanings given in the description box below because human life is more precious than time. This act has increased penalties for traffic violations and other illegal activities like juvenile driving, drunken driving, etc. by 10%. Okay, let me not make you feel bored by taking a polity class. It's just a awareness video like Talapati's Sarkar movie, that is regarding the 49P Act. This video is also available in Tamil. The link is given in the description box below. Please do check it. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for the patient watching. Please subscribe our channel, get ready and give a like. Jai Hind.